Oh shoot. I went right into the friggin' glass. Yup. Whew. It's humid hot as hell. Yes, guys, so I promised me to come back, I'm showing the room. So let's take it from here. This is what the room looks like. It's a villa. So let's start from here. Yeah, but I'm gonna go to the side instead of the... Hold on. I want to pay attention to me, huh? Because I'm dirty and need for... Oh, this way. I need for bed. Yeah, if anybody calls me now and call me dirty, I can't agree. I am. Alright, it's a little bed right here for relax. This is the pool. We have our own private pool back here. Hold on there. Alright. I'm gonna go in here now. Mike, me lock out myself. Oh, shit. Slide. Okay. I got in. This is like a little kitchen area in here, you know. Yeah, we have a little table and stuff, right? Me gassy people. Sorry, me have to share it with you now. Yeah. Don't laugh, okay? Gassy bad. In here. My bedroom. Yeah. A little table, yeah, so me share it there. My favorite part of the bathroom, I'm gonna show you why. I love the bathroom, so the bed. And everywhere is glass, so you can actually see the pool from in here. Alright, yeah. The pool, we're gonna have a floating breakfast. I don't know if I'm gonna come live. I'm gonna take picture. Yeah, alright. You come back here, so. And decided like the safe and stuff like that. For my husband, never open a door and close it. Same thing at home. Same thing at home. Yeah. Alright. So we have two entrances to the bathroom. Can enter from over that door or this door. Let's try it from here. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. You have the outdoor bathroom over the side. Yeah. This is the outdoor bathroom. Tile it. Right, that's a mic over there. I'm for him or beat me to it. Yeah. And then you have the bathtub. No, that's a see. I try to stay away from the sun and not see me. And see how tired we look and mash up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And then you can access the pool from here so as well. I love the bathroom. Yeah. Yeah. So see the view from here. See the view from here. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Can climb the tree and chuck off or nothing. Yeah. Yeah. So they're gonna have a floating breakfast. I might take picture, I might come live. Depends on how I feel, yeah. I'm tired right now. I can't tell you whether or not I'm going to be. me I go come live. So that's it. It's gorgeous, right, peeps? Yeah, man. Sonia Brown. June. Yeah. Me love that. I only open now the damn crop lizard when me decide to use the shower there. Me afraid of lizard. Anybody else afraid of lizard like me? I scream. By the way, me see one lizard. Wanna see him? Wanna not see him? Look right there, sir. If you don't see one sitting and move. You see it? Wanna see it? Who see lizard? Wanna see lizard? Or a leaf and wind? Me will freak out when a lizard. You see a lizard? Me see a lizard. Mike, when me see sitting and move up there. Up at top. Well, go look. What? Oh, no, me alone see lizard. Look up there, sir. Look. You don't see sit now move. And a lizard. You see shadow move. Do on. Not a backside. It open. Me not go under there. You look so. Me not bother want go use that. I nation out gone. Me afraid of lizard. Me says it I feel like somebody kill me. I kill me when time me see a lizard. Mike, we got dugu in this. We got dugu in the bed, yeah? Everywhere you go, you want dugu. Me queen them say no dugu in. Yeah, them say me not to make it no dugu. What you mean that will never happen? Yeah. Say no dugu. No. And no dugu in the people them pool. Yeah, no dugu pandesa. Cause me know what dugu idea will come up in our head, you know. And we want dugu right there, sir. When night come, and we want dugu down there, sir. No dugu in. Yeah, all there, sir. We want dugu. No dugu in. Don't talk to him for me. Yeah. Is you dead live? Me I watch and enjoy the view. Beautiful place. Enjoy your stay, lover. Janet, thank you. But that now help me out. Oh no, please tell Mike in I comment no dugu in. That's what me I look for. Help me out. Make it babies. Twins. I think me sure no enough. Me I go beard people. Make a beard. All around here, so can't see through in there. Like a little garden back there. Or over the other side. Yeah, like a little stone garden. See? Yeah, garden thing. But can't really see back there that good. Yeah. Oh, that's so. Yeah. Yeah. Who is the winner? Oh, the winner is Chrissy Dunn. Chrissy Dunn is the winner. Yeah, she was the one who guessed Indonesia. Yeah. Congratulations, Chrissy Dunn. Vanilla gonna reach out to you, alright? Oh, you mean Mike a hot boy? Do your thing, yeah, me uncle. You don't say me can't bother. I don't know. All I know what me think that on my side as queen. Now go up on Mike's side. Want to know? I see me tired. Nobody want dugu. Chrissy Dunn. Yeah, Chrissy Dunn are the winner. I watch it about 3 times. Vanilla go ahead and go behind me and check too. Yeah, she and somebody named Diane We're neck and neck, but she beat her out by a couple seconds. So congratulations, Chrissy Don. You won $100. All right. Big up on yourself. Welcome back again. Figure on one more live. After that, it's all about Mike and I and doing some stuff and creating some memories. And we'll probably post some pictures. All right. I don't know, Mr. I'm not going to do the whole vacation with live. I don't just have to accept me for who me is. You understand? I just saw Mr. Yeah, wanna accept me? Let me see what I say. Wanna accept me for who me is? Me not left till me here. Me get an answer now. Wanna accept me for who me is? Me just argue on a little bits here and there. Me not say no comment. Why not up in our feelings? Me not know say some mistake from now watch me. What me gonna wear? A lot of money if we go there. So things have to go on. Here exactly. One day and I can't bother with her. Exactly. Wait till me go to Jamaica. Exactly. I see her. Me no know yet. Yes, I accept you for who you are. Thank you, Patricia. Thank you. Look like me happy and follow back. Me nah get no ping. I know you're only one who said that nation. Me don't know what else to tell folks. Facebook. There's a glitch with Facebook. Thank you, Diana. Yeah, man. Just know say I love and becoming I want to share. I just saw mistake. Me just want to focus on our time together and just, you know, enjoy every moment of it. You know what I mean? So I love you guys. But me I go get consumed with what we are going to do. And me not going to remember if we go live. Yeah? Love you guys. Alright? Big up on yourself. Take care of yourself. And I will see me back next weekend. Me here for 7 days. Alright? So next weekend, me start back out with the praise and worship. Big up on yourself. Alright? Go and watch the live them for win the barrel of food and the barrel of clothes. Alright. Have a wonderful night, day, wherever you are. I love you guys and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Alright? Big up on yourself. Me don't bring up something but me not do it. Yeah. Because me used to somebody cuss me about my plastic hanger them. But me not say nothing. I don't know why they always tell me things. Yeah, I buy some plastic hanger for display the clothes them when I give it. And me hear say somebody cuss me over a plastic hanger them and say me not no class. And me say some if you go buy board hanger and fabric hanger just for display clothes when I give it. My husband kissing teeth. What kind of madness is that? Huh? Yeah. I mean, if you go take off my clothes them off I hang in my closet and use them there to impress somebody on Facebook, me get cussed out over hangers. You believe that? So the person never see the beauty in what I'm doing. Yeah? Poor mentality that. Huh? Isn't it? Poor mentality. Yeah. Me if you go buy hanger, ignored it. Yeah, true. Thank you, Pi. Cuss me for hanger. So I'm classless. Can I go buy some hanger for display the clothes them. But that's it. That's it. And I just, somebody tell me when, yesterday I get a text. So I'm bring you up. That's half of my mind now. We moved. And we enjoy Bali, right? Big up on yourself. Yes, man. Mwah, 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 mwah. Love you guys. There's nothing you can do about it, all right? And the winner, whoever win the clothes barrel, let me know if you don't want somebody to hang them. All right? Big up on yourself. That's what I'm doing, Pam. As long as me talk about it, me move. Yeah? Me just get a message somebody send me and say somebody cuss me off over a plastic hanger them. I'm going to say, the hangers that me got Walmart go buy for display clothes them. It's all good though. I love you guys. Bye here later.